I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to disable biometric login on Betterment, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Betterment app. Launch the Betterment app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Tap on the profile icon of the settings gear, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to security settings. Scroll down until you find the security section within the settings menu. Tap on it to access security options. Step 4. Disable biometric login. Look for the option labeled biometric login or fingerprint/face ID. Toggle the switch to turn it off. Just a heads up, if you don't see the toggle, make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Step 5. Confirm changes. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. And that's it. You've successfully disabled biometric login on Betterment. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask.